Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and doing great. In today's video, we are going to show you our cotton modal sarees and Banarsi Chanderi suits from our Maharani collection. So first, let's get started with sarees. So the fabric is cotton modal. It is a lovely saree with a combination of beige and indigo blue. It's a lovely batik saree, you can see. This is a half and half saree I'll show you. This is gonna be our pallu, and half is in this batik design and half saree is in this design, shibori design, and it has a indigo blue blouse with it. Fabric is very soft, it is little flowy, so not much requirement of ironing, low maintenance, and these are all home washable. Very cool fabrics which can be worn 12 months. Second one which I am going to show you is in rust and black. So you can see it has a lovely pallu and it has a lovely this is sari. This is the pallu and it has a black blouse. Third one, it is in diagonal stripes. So it has diagonal stripes all over the sari. This is the beige golden shade and it has a batik blouse with it. Fabric, I repeat, it is cotton modal. Another one you can say we call it kashish color. So this is again a lovely hand block printed sari in cotton modal, and it too has a blouse with it. Again a very lovely sari in rust shade. It has a lovely pallu and this is the all over print of the sari, and it too has a lovely blouse. Again in block print black sari, and it has a grey colored blouse with it. Another one in most favorite color, indigo blue. This is the palla in batik and this is all over it. This is the sari. Another one in indigo blue with ajrak print. So this is the all over sari with rust and indigo combination, and it too has a lovely indigo blouse. Again in bagru print with a combination of indigo, rust and black. Very graceful sari in modal cotton with indigo dotted blouse. Again in bagru print, block printed, black indigo rust combination, and this too has a lovely indigo blouse with it. Fabric is, again I will repeat, is very soft, very easy to maintain, and home washable, not much maintenance required. This is again our indigo lovely sari with the lovely, it has a lovely border on all the four sides of the sari, and it too has a lovely indigo blouse. Again in indigo, this is a, I will show you a very different concept of the sari, very wavy font. So, this is also half and half sari. You can see it has a lovely batik indigo design in half, and in another half it has a shivori concept. So this is again half and half sari with a paired with again lovely blouse. This is the rest with lovely tassels. So it too has a lovely pallu and block printed rust and black combination with a, again paired with a lovely blouse. And the last sari for today in ajrak print. This is in stripes. This is striped sari. It has vertical stripes all over in sari. You can see it too has lovely four-sided border and again a very ajrak stripes and paired with the indigo blouse. So these were our all cotton modal sarees, which are very less maintained. You can see, you can easily maintain them, and these are priced for 3800. So I repeat, these sarees are priced for 3800. And now I'm going to show you our suits from Maharani collection. So these are very lovely suits. You can see it has a lovely diagonal stripes with the base of mehndi color, and it has all over, it has a Banarsi weave booties paired with a plain bottom and lovely digitally printed dupatta. You can see it has a Mughal flowers all over the dupatta. A very rare and lovely combination of grey and pink. See the lovely combination of grey and pink with lovely Banarsi bootas all over with a grey bottom, and it too has a lovely digital printed dupatta. You can see with the print of cows. Third one is with the base of rust or orange, you can see. It has peacocks on it and with lovely, again with lovely bootas. You can see the zari is so neat and clean. Base is cotton chanderi with plain bottom. And it has lovely, you can see print of Maharanis and Dasis on it. So they have, these suits have very graceful and lovely dupattas with them. A lovely combination of onion pink with zari booty dupattas, plain bottom. And it too has a lovely digital printed dupatta. Another one, the combination of golden and mehndi. You can see it has a cow print also. It has peacocks also on it with all over Banarsi bootas with a plain golden bottom. The fabric of bottom is in cotton. lovely dupatta with Maharani and cow cart. You can see pandits also on this, with a view of some lake also. So these are the we have named, that's why we have named this collection our Maharani collection. Again with a multicolor combination, with a combination of grey bottom and with lovely, you can see it has a bagicha print on this. This is again the kurta, and it too has a Maharani's cows with them, with Banarsi booty, plain bottom. It too has a lovely digital printed dupatta. Again in multicolor, with all over Banarsi booty, plain bottom. And this too has a bagicha print on it. This is again the very lovely suit with vertical stripes all over Banarsi booties, with, you can see it has kamal ka phool, cows, plain green bottom. Lovely digital printed dupatta. And the last one for today, the combination of green and mehndi with grey bottom, and this one has the different dupatta. This, you can see it has a Madhubani art on the dupatta. So this was all for today, and these suits are priced for 5,800. So you can place your orders. Just send us a screenshot on 9760879903. The number will mention in the description also, or you can directly DM us. So we are shipping pan India, so orders are welcome. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care, bye bye.